Construction's a tough business. Software has affected a lot of different industries in a very large way. Software really hasn't impacted construction that much. The industry's been very slow to change.
Cityscape does multifamily residential housing, and we're headquartered in Carmel, Indiana. When I came to Cityscape, I said there's paperless systems out there. We were looking for a way to improve the accounting part of the process and the subcontractor billing part of the process.
So I've been in the construction industry for about 35 years. Back when I started, right, everything was done on paper. We were using fax machines for everything. For us in construction, we're controlled a lot by our pay application process. Life before GCPay on paper was always cumbersome. We typically will do about 6 projects a year. Our projects range usually anywhere between $25 million, $50 million. And it didn't take me but a couple of weeks to recognize the shift and the power that GCPay brought to our management.
Nothing was going to one place, regardless of how well you try to kind of herd the paperwork. And now I'm in GCPay constantly, and a 4-day process to get a draw done becomes a 4 to 6 hour process. We spent hours on the phone and faxing and emailing pay apps. Everything we did on paper is now electronic. It's at everyone's fingertips immediately. Now the project managers and superintendents on site verify that the percentage complete is right, and the math is there. It's never a question. In the field, a lot of the superintendents have iPads, not computers. While they're reviewing pay apps, they have their iPad and they're walking around the site and truly reviewing what's on screen versus, is on the building or not on the building. They can do that much quicker on a screen than walking around a site with pieces of paper in hand.
Before I came to Cityscape 3 years ago, I was doing paper pay apps. I've told the partners in our company, I told our CFO, I said, listen, if for any reason you want to get rid of GCPay, I'll quit.